for the first talk for the afternoon. Let's call on Miss Sherry Ann Domingo. Okay. Okay, let's give a warm round of applause again.
Thank you for the grabe introduction. Di ba Mapua? Actually, I'm so honored to be here because I'm a Mapuan and we're the first batch here in Mapua, Makati. Way back, I'm now at the age ko, di ba? Yun. So, I'm a Mapuan alumni too. We're the first batch here and I think I graduated, bilang, basta mga 2005. Ayan, huwag kayong magbilang. Baka ako nag-graduate ako. Yun. So, I'll be talking about how PHP develops you. So, actually, this is my first time to do a lightning talk. And medyo challenging talk for me. Kasi having a technical talk in few minutes is hard. So, I hope I don't bore you today as I talk. So, I'm Shean. They call me Shean. And I'm currently the president of PHP User Group Philippines. And I also work for Accenture as an SSE. Okay. I'm a developer before. Then I usually change career paths in DBA. I also taught in Oracle Philippines before, and I have many other extracurricular activities. Okay, went out. Okay, and I also do organize events like this for our org, just like the others here, like Mika and others, familiar faces here, and Mozilla as well. Then, at my free time, do play violin, travel, eat, and shopping. Okay. Okay, so I won't be talking too much technical today. Don't worry, I won't make your nose bleed. Okay, what is PHP? So, basically, PHP is not taught here at Mapua. Tinuturo na ba siya ngayon dito? No, di ba? This is what we call a Microsoft community. Well, and Java too. Kasi way back years ago, I haven't heard of PHP. Okay? We only use .NET and Java. But me, my specialization is database management system talaga. So I'm not really fan of web development when I graduated. Okay, so basically it's a server scripting language. So katumbas siya ni ASP.NET, katumbas din siya ng Java Server Pages. So I have nothing against with the other languages, but I just love PHP when I meet the language. Okay, and for me it has the shortest learning curve. You can learn PHP in just few hours, or actually in 1 hour, or 2 hours, you can maximize na yung use of PHP. And it's an open source technology. Well, when you say open source, the codes are available to the public for enhancement and other contributions. So I'm also an evangelist for open source. And basically, it is used by small to large enterprises from simple websites to mission-critical systems. Like my client that I handle, they also use PHP in the USA for mission-critical systems. Okay. So usually, people will say we develop PHP or I develop ASPX, I develop Java. But for me, it's better that I say that PHP develops us because yes, we develop websites, systems, and applications, but we hadn't go through kung ano talaga yung nabibigay sa atin yung mga tools na natin in technology. Okay, so PHP develops us. So how? So actually it all started in Hello World. Actually, it's really funny how I met PHP. Because I met PHP right here in Mapua when I was debugging my Barkada's thesis. Yeah, I was debugging my friend's thesis. I was waiting for my graduation, which is August, diba? The normal graduation is August. And I have nothing to do while waiting for my graduation, right? Or the actual graduation. So I usually go here, spend time with my friends while they're struggling to defend their thesis. And they have struggles and they cannot develop this specific part wherein I think that's a bus reservation system. And way back then, I was not familiar with PHP. I have no background. My professors did not teach me PHP because I'm specializing in DBA or database management system. So they told me, please try. Kailangan natin ma-solve ko kasi hindi kami ka-graduate. Eh, syempre friends natin sila, tulungan natin sila. So, ano nangyari yun? So, yan, may ID ko. Ayun, yan, bukas pa siya. Yun. Oo, may badge. Actually, malaman yung badge ko sa number, pero mabuhan sa nakakaalam. And sabi ko na ipapokus. So, it makes you a problem solver. Because of PHP, na in few hours, I was able to debug. I have no knowledge, no one taught me. As in, wala akong alam. But, nagawa ko siya in just few hours, just in time before mag-depend sa classmates ko. Ganun kabilis siya matutunan. And because of that, I was a problem solver. Okay? And PHP gives you access to mentors. So, who are with the ACM organization or IT organizations dito? Pakitaas naman yung kamay. Konti lang? Shy type? Or ganyan na talaga? Well, I encourage you to join groups, especially IT groups, because they give you free access to mentorship. So when you say give you access to mentors, when I was with PHP, I was alone. Okay? I was really alone. Pinilit ko pa dun sa boss ko na, kasi first work ko na, diba? Tapos wala naman ako alam sa PHP, nagbagaling ako. Hindi, ayoko po ng ASP.NET, PHP ko po gagawin yung task ko. Ang lakas ng loob ko, diba? But wala talaga akong alam dun. Pero syempre, since first job ko yun, sabi ko, kaya ko to, gagawin ko to. And yun, pinilit ko talaga yung PHP. Dati wala akong problem kasi may web hosting. So when you say web hosting, di ba, i-upload mo lang yung page mo, okay ka na. Di ba? You just upload your HTML or PHP, solve ka na. One day, my boss told me, Chean, I need you to run that PHP and MySQL on IIS. Sino familiar kay IIS? Kanino server yun? Microsoft. Diba PHP and MySQL are both open source. And way back that time, those years, hindi pa interoperable ang Microsoft with open source. At wala masyadong references for that. So, I'm given 2 to 3 days to do that before the Lenten season. So, basically, ano nangyari? I was so desperate looking for the internet kung paano ko siya i-resolve. How to install PHP MySQL. Actually, install ko din yung PHP MyAdmin kasi wala pa yun eh. Sino nakagamit na ng WOMP dito or SAP? Nakagamit na. Ang dali, di ba? Ang dali. So, ang task ko, hiwa-hiwalay. So, may proper sequence yun, may ganyan. Ay, hindi ko siya mapagana. Error talaga. So, siguro mga magdamag ko na yata din yung hindi ko talaga magawa. And I was the only one using PHP in the company, so wala akong magagawa, kaya ako siya panindigan. And napadpad ako sa org ko ngayon, which is the PHP User Group Philippines. And doon, nag-post ako ng first post ko, hi, I need help. Installation of PHP, MySQL, PHP MyAdmin on IIS 6. At sa mga hardcore na gumagamit ng IIS, alam niyo kung gaano kahirap yun. So, I was given free access to the mentors. So, PhD gave me away to mentors, and those mentors helped me to do my tasks and become a better programmer. Kasi dati sa Lumista ako, parang sa musician, sa Lumista ka, ngayon nag-join ka ng quartet, nag-duet, ganyan. So parang syempre iba pa rin yung feeling na may kasama ka, right? So yun, because of that, I was able to do my tasks because of PHP. Okay. PHP makes you a smart coder. Ano nyo ba, ang tanga-tanga ko dati? Kasi nga, di ba, mag-isa nga lang nag-PHP sa company namin, and wala nga akong alam sa mundo, kakapunta ko na ng forums. Nung mga task ko before, pinapagawa ko ng forums, pinapagawa ko ng, ano pa ba yun? Mga CMS type, yung may mamanage sa likod, pero may website talaga in the front. Wala akong alam na may CMS, wala akong alam na may Joomla. Wala akong, promise, wala akong alam nito, as in, wala akong alam. Hindi ko alam na may Drupal, hindi ko alam. Alam niyo, ginawa ko siyang manually. As in, all manually. As in, gumawa ko ng sarili kong parang Joomla version or ganyan. Pero, syempre, iba pa rin yung hasanan. Saka sabi nga nila, diba, where reinvent the wheel, nagawa na nga siya. So, it makes me a smart coder kasi dati, limited lang ang alam ko, ay may iba palang ways. Di lang pala manual, di lang pala spaghetti coding. Sino yung spaghetti coding dito? Uso pa ba? Spaghetti. Yeah, okay lang yan, spaghetti coding. Spaghetti coding, doon talaga tayo nag-start that. So as time goes by, you learn tools and technologies. And PHP is the one who makes me realize that reality. Okay? PHP connects you and wins you friends. So, kung nakapapansin nyo kami kanina, yung mga tao dito, sa open source kasi, we really know each other. Kahit hindi by name, by face. Kasi kami din yung nagkakakitaan. And sabi ko nga, hindi lang kayo nagko-connect via Facebook, ay, every friend ko yan or like that. But also friends. I got org mates sa PHP, UGPH, and hindi lang kami simpleng org mates. Yung iba nga, inaanak ko pa eh. Sabi niya, yung iba, yung iba mag-business partners, yung iba nakahanap ng work from boyfriend doon. I mean, anything can happen kasi nga, nandun yung mga people, di ba? And basically, makukuha natin doon is bonding and friendship. Okay. Para may nagre-react. Yeah. And PHP provides you the best job offers. Yes, it will, di ba, Mika? Kasi, si Mika, nasusulit, di ba? Di ba? I mean, the best job offers are just waiting for you na ma-discover mo. But, kung doon ka na sa sarili mo or solo ka lang, hindi mo siya malalaman. And the best recommendation from others will be also from those na kasama mo sa org. And maganda siya. And hindi lang din office mates sa makukuha mo din or offers or freelance projects, but also your future process. You might be talking in the forum, trying to defend something or in a debate. But magulat ka na lang, may mag-approach sa'yo, CEO na pala. Diba? I mean, it gives you access to the best things in life na hindi mo sukataklain na nandun. So basically, PHP also did that. Okay? So, PHP trains you to be a good speaker. Believe it or not, few years ago, nakaupo lang din ako dyan. At nangarap, bakit kaya sila ganun? Bakit sila nakakapagsalita sa harap? Di ba sila natatakot? Di ba sila kinakabahan? But parang ang dami nilang alam, bakit ako parang wala akong alam, etc. I was also like that. Like you. Few years ago, I was just a student. Alam ko lang, kailangan ko lang ipasa yung subjects ko, kahit stress. Kasi kahit stress, masaya na sa makuha. Diba? Basta stress, basta huwag yung 5. At makaabot sa tamang graduation day. Mga gano'n, and igapang ang thesis dahil quarter sem. You know, the beginning of quarter sem at Hell Week. Kasi ang midterm set of finals, ang in-between lang niya, almost wala pang 1 month. At ang dami natin projects and thesis. So, I was really just a normal kid like you or student like you na gusto na matuto, ganyan. And you could also be like that. And like me now, na hindi lang kayo nagtutalk sa'yo, na nakikinig lang before. So, So, PHP also motivate me to share what I know through speaking. I was exposed to public speaking because of PHP. Okay? And PHP awakens your passion in teaching. Before, pag nakikita ko yung prof ko, sabihin ko, sana matapos na po yung klase, inaantok na ako. Sana po mapasa ko yung quiz ko kasi ang hirap eh. Okay, sana po, madali mangopya ng assignment kasi wala pa akong assignment. Diba naman ganun? Kasi ayaw maging teacher kasi paano kaya ito, pinahihirapan ako ng teacher na to. Ayaw na din yan, diba? Ganun yung mga mindset natin pag teacher or prof, pinahihirapan nila yung buhay natin. But, when I was immersing myself into the industry and the community, doon ko nakita yung teaching na, yung true value ng teaching, and yung sacrifices ng mga prof natin na yan. Yes, they may be terror, they may be scaring you every single day of your life sa makuha or sa buhay natin. Takot at meron din kami prof dati na pag nakita pa lang namin, takot na kami, hindi ganun talaga. But, na-realize ko kung ano talaga yung, kung ba't sila ganun or kung bakit nila ginagawa yun. And I was very thankful to all my terror teachers kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi ako matututo ng tamang dapat matutunan or kung hindi sila ganun ka-strict, hindi nila may impose or mabibigay sa atin kung ano talaga yung kailangan natin. And I myself now is a teacher. So I teach also. I was able to, I practice first, practice at tawag. Where we go to schools through roadshows kasi, or PHP, and doon kami nahasa. So, syempre as you talk, you also know how to teach. Okay, kasi syempre, para saan naman yung tinuturo na, PHP. Pag namatay ba ako, masasama ko ba yan? Diba? Yun inawan. So, kailangan i-share namin kung ano yung natutunan namin. And, PHP really makes you a great teacher because yung passion mo with the technology is nasi-share mo sa iba. Okay. PHP makes you a great event organizer. Many people are not into creative part or yung mga comm skills and like that. But being a technical person, we're not equipped for that. Kasi we're trained to be technical, di ba? So, yung iba dito, kanina, kita ko nagpapanik sila, ay nga, okay na po yung event natin, ganyan. Nakita ko sila, nagpapanik sila, so chill lang kasi, di ba? Nagpapanik talaga sila kanina. So, when you're here at Pro, di ko naman sinabing huwag kang kabahan kasi bakit naman pag di ka kinabahan. Kahit ako kinakabahan. But, yung pag-organize is natututunan siya hindi lang dahil sa umattend ka ng klase sa IT, di ba? It needs to, for you to mingle with people, to meet other people, and because of our order, doon din ako natuto na mag-organize. So, organize conferences, parang sila kayo yan, DevCon, Mozilla, nag-create din sila ng events. So, basically, PHP also made me more confident. Not only technically wise, but also well-rounded. So, nakakuha na ako ng technical skills, meron pa akong soft skills, di ba? So, saan ka pa? Ano pang hahanapin mo? Lahat na lang, nakuha mo na, di ba? Okay. And PHP empowers the leader inside you. I joined PHP UGPH way back 2007. And sabi ko nga sa'yo, yun, natutunan ko lang siya kasi, yun, napunta ako sa org. Tapos, bigla na lang, sabi nila, uy, mag-BP ka, uy, may ganyan ka. And I was not prepared for that. Sige nga, malalaman nila age ko, okay? I was just 21 or 22 nung ginawa ko yung kalokohan nila. And sabi nila, you can step up higher or lead people. So, yun. So, basically, yun, nag-step up ako from PP, naging president ako, and I've been managing PHP, UGPH since 2007. Sorry, yun. Tapos, actually, business na. Yan. And lastly, PHP works hand in hand with you to leave a legacy. So, ako kasi naniniwala ako na dapat may mabigay ka in return sa lahat na nabibigay sa amin ng community, and that is legacy. And sabi nga kanina sa introduction ko, that is knowledge. So, PHP simply brings out the best in you because it unleashes your true potential. Yun. I love PHP so much. Bakit? Kasi it comes me unconditionally and I get all of this for free. So, in return, I volunteer for PHP UGPH. Yes, we're already existing for 10 years. And yun, you could register dun sa website namin and it's totally free. Then, we also conduct PHP roadshows. So, I can schedule naman intensive PHP training talaga and open source trainings if you need to. You just contact us. Yun, and yun. Masyadong madami. Yun. To contact me. So maybe I'll just share the slides with Nahepa and Easy for that. Yun. That's my last slide. Okay, thank you.